What's up, what's up, what's up? So today we are going to be putting together our couch. I hope it don't take too long, but I'm super excited because we finally get a couch. And today is Friday the 11th, March 11th. Tomorrow the TV stand is supposed to come, so I'm gonna have to put that together too. Hopefully it comes like early in the day, but a lot of the times they be bringing packages like late afternoon, so we'll see. But we're about to get this couch together, and I wanted to record the process for you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. So yeah, let's start. And don't come for my hair because I'm not fixing it, okay? Leave me alone. Oh, let's put you out. Oh, yeah. Ain't nothing in those boxes, just the boxes. Under mine. The box on top of yours. Because you took your shoes out. So your box is at the bottom, right? One's on top. It is? So those are my shoes in it.
Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Who would have thought I'd get you?
Hey guys, so we finally finished setting up the couch, and I wanted to show you guys like in slow-mo, not in slow-mo, but just in regular speed what everything looks like right now. We're still waiting for the TV stand, and we're still waiting for the coffee table. So the coffee table says around the 18th, so it's literally the day before my gathering. And then the TV stand is supposed to be coming tomorrow, Saturday, the 12th. Hopefully, it said it was in Arizona, but I hope it gets here. But this is what it looks like. So couch, pillows, and pillow covers are from Amazon. I gotta fix them because now I see that they crooked. Then these chairs have seat covers on them, just velvet, so they can match the couch. And I got this rug from Amazon as well, a while ago, but it's super fluffy and soft. And then the blanket is also from Amazon because I wanted it to match the rug. And yeah, and then we have the mirror over there, but you can't really see it. It's kind of covered up. But these boxes are going out. The stuff in the hallway is getting put away. And then after that, pretty much finished. Ain't nothing else going in here. I'm stinking sleep. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I am gonna make another video of us building the TV stand and the coffee table. I'm probably gonna just put them two videos together to make one. But this is going up hopefully tonight. Like I said, we got the TV, but the TV that's in our room is coming in here because it's bigger than the one that I just bought. So the smaller one is going in the room. But yeah, I'm super excited to have a freaking couch in here. It's gonna look different. But yeah, I'm sorry. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.